Hi guys, today I will talk about the Chevy Trailblazer 2006. Actually, this car wasn't start cranking and wasn't start. So I searched about it and nobody gave me the correct answer. And I checked all the wiring, it was okay. So what I did after that, I take off this jack terminal for the computer terminal, the center one. I take it off for 24 hours. After that, the car, I turn it off and I clear all the code also. So I turn it off and I start, and now it's running perfect. So my advice for you guys, the computer sometimes get confusing. So just no need to take it to anywhere. No dealer, no nothing, and no need programming. Just take off that terminal for 24 hours. After that, install it. It will run right away. And if you have a scanner, just clear the codes. Thank you. If you like this video, just do subscribe.